getting ready to go on our trip. Woohoo! Getting ready to pack up the cart. It is for the vlog. That's the way I do it. Enjoying Nico, ready to go? Are you guys ready to go? Huh? Go camping? I'm not that excited. Alright, so we are in Ruidoso. Yep. We got stuck for a little bit in some construction, so we're running a little bit behind. But we had Rudy had stopped to go to the bathroom, so we're just kind of waiting now. And we're almost there, though. Alright. See you in a bit. I hope those clouds are not coming our way. They are, though. Fantastic. Looks like it's gonna rain. It always rains on our trips. Oh, it is raining over there. That's the way the rain goes first. Well, we're here. It started raining as soon as we got here, so we couldn't do much. We tried to set up as fast as we could. But yeah, it started raining, and I think it's going to start raining again, so typical camping trip for us, so it always rains. So yeah. So we got done eating. We ate lunch, which was super late. And then I think we might go kind of walking around, see what we can find. So there's not much around here though, because we're in the woods. Here's out looking for wood. didn't do a lot today. It did rain a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. So we pretty much just did crosswords and read a book. So see how it is tomorrow. All right. Heading out for a walk. How pretty it is out here. Today's the last day, we're leaving. So we're saying goodbye to the campground. So I'll show you what it looks like after we left. There it is. So it was pretty cool today. We got to see wild horses. I came in the morning, so that was pretty neat. And here it comes. So we're leaving. Hey, didn't get a lot of chance to vlog today, so we were busy kind of getting ready for a garage sale that we're having this weekend. So I'm going to show you what we did today. It's out here, not garage, of course. But we got all of that for the garage sale. It's like a whole nother place out here. I didn't know we had this much stuff. So that's about it on that part. Like I said, we just didn't get, I don't have a lot going on because we're not at school right now, so just doing my normal day stuff. So I'm getting ready to make dinner here. So, and then go take a shower because I haven't done that yet today. Sorry, looks kind of trashy. So anyway, So yeah, that was it. That's what we did today. Today is Thursday, so that's what we did. We went camping the last couple of days, of course, as you know, because that's what we filmed already. So, alright, that was it. Bye. Alright, I was just gonna vlog really quick and say, sorry, I was trying my music. Because it's not legal for me to have music on my video. So I get in trouble. Alright, so anyway, I was just getting on to say that, oh my gosh, I cannot believe it's so close to time to go back to school. It is February 13th. So I go back to school in about a month. It's crazy. So, but I've been like slowly getting stuff ready, getting some stuff. I'll show you guys in a few days when I have time. I just don't have time right now. Our house is a huge mess because of this garage sale that we're doing. So you would think that it'd be clean since we got all the stuff out, but it's not. It's a huge mess. We have stuff everywhere. It's crazy. So I'm trying to get all that cleaned up. So, hello. It is, what day it is? Friday. And I was going to show you, we spent the day today. We went to Target and Walmart. I had to return some stuff, so and of course, you know, Target had their teacher stuff into the dollar spot. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff I got today. So today I went to Target. They had these jump drives, 16 gigabyte. Let me turn on the exposure a little bit. They have these 16 gigabyte jump drives for $3.99, so I had to get one of those. I found these really cute name tags, dollar spot. Found these cute, they're called Word of the Day, so I was going to use it probably for like our sight words and stuff, maybe some vocabulary words. And it comes with lots of things, so you can have Word of the Day, definition, how many letters, use it in a sentence. There's 7 of them. I think there's synonyms, syllables, I can't remember read the other 2 things. Rhymes with, and how many vowels. So, and they're dry erase, so you can write your word and then erase it and use it again. So I thought that was pretty cool. $1. Pretty nice. And then, of course, I had to get the chalkboard tape. I've been waiting forever to find this. So I'll probably end up using it in my planners, or in my planner. Maybe 2 of them. So that's that. So the things that we did today. Today I'm just kind of chilling. We're getting ready for our garage sale tomorrow, so hopefully that goes well. We also bought a dresser, so we put that together. It looks really cool. You probably have seen it if you follow me on Instagram. Just if you haven't, I'll just link it down below. Hold on, where's my finger at? I'll link it down below, so yeah, you can check that out. It's better on Instagram. Alright, so that's it. I'll probably talk to you tomorrow. So, bye.